What's up, guys? I'm back. I wasn't going to do this because I was really tired earlier, but now I'm not tired anymore. So, we got quite a few trades. We got 10 trades, minus one, 9 trades up that we can take. We had a no entry on the pound CAD. And, wait a minute. What the fuck is going on with that Euro trade? I don't know what happened with that Euro trade. But we'll put it down as a no entry. Maybe I canceled it. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe I lost. Maybe it's a loss. I don't know. But I guess I can find out. Yeah, that would be a loss. So as you guys know, you can tell by looking at my trades, it has not been going very well this week at all. I got 11, 12 losses. I got 2 open trades, 1 win. My winning percentage is 8.33%. That is a ratio for losing. So here's the Euro trade we had. The first one stopped out. The second one got put on. So it fell straight into the area. We're low on the curve. I was watching a Sam Evans XLT from 30th. Just trying to I'm like, man, what am I doing here? Why do I have so many fucking losers in a row? And I saw it looked like he even had a few losers too. And I'm like, all right, this makes me feel better. That I'm not the only one. In fact, bam, there it is. It's still up. Pretty cool. So let's just get to it. We'll go to the pound CAD first, see why we canceled it. Oh yeah, I just got too far away. That's all. Plus, it's a downtrend, so it's counter trend, too far away. A couple different things going for it. For a new entry, the pound franc. Let's take a look at that. Fucking son of a bitch. Would have hit target 1. Let's see. What's the decimal point of pips we missed out on? 0.9 points, dude. Fucking bullshit. So, that's the pound franc. Let's go to the euro yen. Put all yen pairs at the same time. See, up there, that's what we're looking at. Could take this bottom area too. But maybe I'll just set that up tomorrow. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna set it up right now. Stop being lazy. I'm just really tired after work and waking up at 4 and working out. I didn't work out today because I was tired, so I just got Addy and came home. Insufficient funds. Oh, fuck. So I want to put waiting for funds. Alright, so that's the euro yen though. I'm just going to move this over here so I can keep track. We got the euro New Zealand. If you don't have a second monitor, definitely get one. It'll change your life. That's what I tell people when I tell them to start smoking too. So we got, well, this is going to be canceled too now. Oh, it was canceled, okay. 9-3. Go on curve. So just go ahead and delete all these lines. Aussie dollar. That was a win. Set that up at work today. Just a quick little one-to-one. Because when it came up and hit, this was red. It looked like that. So I took it. Plus I was like, you know, fuck it, I'm already losing this week, might as well. I took it on my phone though, which is, you know, not exactly a great idea, but it is what it is. So that was the Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD. This is kind of a different one. I took it on a 4-hour chart. Yeah, right up in this area here. Looks like I took it right there, but let's go to the 4-hour chart. So yeah, I took this zone because if you look at the daily, it would be a range breakout short. So there we go. That's what I took. We're in it. The prop target's like ish here. Dollar franc. Got another dollar franc trade set up. Breakout range short. So there we go. We're still climbing high. You know, honestly, like if I get 3 winners, like, well, like 4 more winners, like we'll be sitting pretty good at almost break even for the month, for the week. So if I have the Aussie CAD and then the Euro win, it should be good. And then this one hits. So we got our trade up here. I didn't take the whole zone because the profit margin wouldn't have been there, so I just took the top of it. If it hits, it hits. This is the profit margin because you got your close above here. Let's see, what else are we looking at? Euro franc long. We got 2 entries here. So we're low on the curve. We got an uptrend starting. Should be good. This is barely higher than this. 700. 717 and 718. Barely, but it counts. It's the same or above. It should be just above. Yeah, if it's the same, it doesn't count. That's the rule. All right, then, so that's both Euro franc trades. Take a look at that. That's what it looks like. See the profit margin, close below right there. And then this one down here, just a slightly backup trade. Euro. It's open, so we're in that. It did trigger before I got in, so I took it as a market order, like right here. Or right, I took it as a stop order. Actually, it wasn't a market order, a stop order. I guess buy stop. That's what it was eventually. What it was called, I guess. But Euro franc, Euro CAD. Waiting for it to come on into the zone. So we got our push up. Like our trend is up. So this would be like the range breakout trade. There wasn't really anything in here. So, yep, so just both of these trades here on the Euro CAD. As far as things coming up, looking at the pound, the last place it was high on the curve, up here, after I adjusted the curve. So that pound I maybe shouldn't have lost because this was a trade off this, that was a trade off. Well, this should have been the curve right here. But like it's not. Like, it didn't break out anything. It had a downtrend immediately following it. Look at the trend. If you made a trend time frame, true trend, just a downtrend. I mean, this right here. But even that's mostly used up. It's just trading in this fucking range. Garbage. So there's that. But yeah, otherwise there's not really anything else. That's basically all my trades. Waiting on a dollar CAD to turn around. We look at that. Dollar yen. If I can get up here into this supply area, that would be pretty cool. Hits up the supply, supply holds, and then starts trading down. It's like this 240 area, probably do pretty well. Let's see, euro yen. Waiting. Funds, take that, we already looked at that. Aussie yen. Basically the same thing. Want to be a seller. Waiting on arrival. We're actually waiting on funds now. Yeah, it's waiting on the arrival for that one. Euro CAD, we went over. Euro Aussie. I mean, really that. Maybe this down here. Euro New Zealand's counter trend. We're low on the curve now, so we want to look for buy opportunities. Euro franc, we went over. Euro pound. Euro pound town. Just looking for a downtrend to start so we can take it short. Aussie CAD, went over that. We're up a little bit on that. I have been thinking about taking the higher time frames, so going to like a weekly, daily, and then actually like a 6-hour chart or a 360. Because it's got more, the zone's got more weight, and it'd be like less trades. But I'd also be able to trade like once a day. What? But yeah. It is nice to go into like the XLT though and be like, okay, cool, I'm not the only one who loses sometimes. It's in the same zones, we're not. It does pretty much like a pretty similar thing actually. Like I guess I do a pretty similar thing to what he does technically if you want to get technical. This should actually be here. Close blow. So like what he would do is like, so you got your close blow, like this is a weekly chart. Actually, you know what? I can just do this. I have the 4 time frames that he uses. It's literally, so okay. Close blow. I was messing around with the euro yen last, so take your chain away. So it's pretty similar to this. So see price here, that's low on the curve, so it's like a weekly, and then it'll go down and like, bam. He had this as a zone right here on the daily that he was that he took. And then like you look up here, both of these are high on the curve. This higher one's higher, so it's like you're trading within the curve. And then same with the breakout. So you find the breakout, right, and then you look for trades up in there. So that would be like one. This is kind of just in the middle, so maybe not. But on this, you would look on like the 60. Probably take that or take this upper one right here. So it's like I do the trend, he would like do the curve basically and find zones with like big moves away. So if I did this, where's the chain? There we go. And do like one of these. So I can get your move away, and like down here. So like down here, that's low on the weekly curve. That's over here. So if I do like this, all right, this 4-hour zone or the 6-hour zone is low on the weekly curve. So like that would be a good buy. This is just kind of in the middle, not really doing anything. So this would not be like a good sell. So you delete that. So yeah, that's kind of it. And then the 60, he doesn't really use the 60 at all. He likes the higher time frames. But that's kind of what I'm gathering. So you get like these breakout areas, or in like, I guess in here. Well, no, because this was a reaction to this down in here. So, bam, you got a breakout, and then like that's the buy for Sam. He trades like a curve, but with the breakout. So he like looks for the breakout areas, and then like that by itself would maybe that would be a trade buy. He just leaves these trades up. He's like, yep, I take that. These weren't his exact trades though, but it's something like that. And then he doesn't like take them off, so there's no like canceling the trade really. I mean there is, but like I don't know. Anyways, that's all I got. So hopefully tomorrow isn't a shitty day. Make some money and then get some more money and then everything's okay. We come on a week a little bit ahead. We got pretty chopped up this week. So yeah, everyone have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.